Yeah, many people say I've been flying since the beginning of time. That's basically true because I had my first airplane flight when I was 7 months old. And people don't understand that my life has been pretty stressful because of certain people who bother me, and I really just want to sit on the airplane, relax and put my phone on airplane mode. Oh, airplane mode. Yeah, I really like to sit back and relax and put my phone on airplane mode. Oh, airplane mode. Yeah, I really like to put my phone on airplane mode. Old. Old. Yeah, listen, I don't really care about drama. I don't really care about drama. Although some people say that I don't. Give them a chance to say anything. I still don't care about the drama that is given to me daily. Some people are way too dramatic for me, and it always bothers me. But some days I actually make a choice of a human being, and I just sit on the airplane and relax. Don't think about it and just relax while putting my phone on airplane mode. Oh, airplane mode. For me, I really like to relax and put my phone on airplane mode. Oh, airplane mode. Yeah, airplane mode.